Here I am on Thingiverse looking at a design that is shared publicly on Thingiverse. It's a puzzle cube, and this is a great opportunity to learn about leaving intentional air gaps between pieces whenever you're doing design for 3D printing. So we'll talk about that in just a moment. Let's just look at his design first, or this user's design. Rich Gain, I guess is his name. And this is a really neat little puzzle project here. And he's laid them out so that they all print without support material. And I'm sure he went through several revisions, probably because of the fact that these are really elaborate pieces, and probably took a lot of work to make sure that they all would fit together without accidentally blocking each other. And they all fit together and make a cube. Now, when you want to design something like this, the real trick is how do you make sure that they're going to fit. Making two pieces fit is actually kind of hard to do. You have to leave an intentional pocket of air. And you can see that whenever you take all of his pieces and put them together. So here I am looking at it from a side view, and you can see that between each piece, there's a little bit of a little pocket there. Like you can see, especially if I pan and zoom around, there's a little bit of air between each piece whenever I assembled it in TinkerCad. And that's on purpose, because if you make them too exact of a fit, if you make a 5mm opening and a 5mm piece, more often than not, 3D printing is going to produce a part that's a little bigger than what you designed, and then it's not going to fit. So that's a big gamble there. That's why you have to leave an intentional little air pocket, which is what this designer has done and what you're going to practice and you're going to see more of in a demo video. I think this is a great project because making a single standalone piece by itself is good, but making multiple pieces that fit together really makes it possible to come up with some innovative designs. So this is a good time to practice what it's like to intentionally leave a pocket. I personally like to leave about 0.5mm as an air gap, and anything higher than that just gives you that much more certainty that it's going to not get stuck. So 0.5 is good whenever you want it to be snug, and possibly 1mm is good if you want it to definitely have some wiggle room there and be pretty loose. So that's my 2 cents for you on what the build video is going to be about. So go ahead to the next video, and I hope you have fun with this project.